will get a cup of glue to share with a partner. You will also get a glue brush. Notice that your cup of glue only has a little bit of glue at the bottom. That's plenty for us to use today. If you need extra glue, raise your hand, and I'll be sure to come over and help you get some more glue. When you are using your glue brush, be careful not to bend your bristles. Just dip it into the glue, and if there's too much, wipe it on the lip. Now you can dot your glue around the edge of your art. You don't need to go in the middle. Just dot it on the edge, and then, like I'm doing here, spread it out so that you can see the glue, but that it's not too much. It shouldn't be lumpy and gloppy. It should be a little bit of white glue along the edges, all around the edges. Now when I turn it over, I'm going to give it a little massage to spread the glue just to the edge. Don't want it to squeeze out the edge, so I didn't put too much on. And now I'm going to hold it down. A 1, a 2, a 3, 4, 5 seconds should be plenty. And I'm just going to check that it's all spread out nicely. Looks pretty good. And now I will show you what not to do. Don't do this. Don't squish your brushes to the bottom and spin it around. Don't bend those little bristles. Oh, sad little bristles. They're getting so smushed and covered with way too much glue. Oh, poor little paintbrush. Here we go. Oh, boy. That's too much glue. Yeah, wipe off some more. That's too much glue. Oh, dear. No, you're supposed to go on the edge. No, not the middle, the edge of the, okay, that's the edge, but it's still, whoa, that's way too much glue. Don't keep going back, spread it around. Oh boy, that's way too much glue. What's gonna happen here? I'm just spreading it out. Oh, it's coming out the edges. That's way too much to come out the edges. She's trying to get it off, but it's all over her hands now, and it's hard to press down. Oh gosh, oh, it's kind of a mess. Oh dear, well, that edge won't stay down because there's no glue on that side. Well, let's see how my finished project turned out now that it's dry. You can see that the heart where I glued just on the edges in a thin line is nice and flat, and I didn't have any glue on the edges, whereas the other one where I painted the middle all over has lots of sloppy glue and it's very bumpy all over. There we go. Now it's cleanup time. How do I clean up? Put the lid back on your glue, press it all around so it stays all the way on. If you need help, ask a friend. Now take your glue brush to the hot tub. Notice that the hot tub has bristles pointing in one direction and the end of the brush pointing in the other direction. Yeah, check that out. Put them all in the same direction so they're easier for me to watch. Thanks, guys! Now we're all cleaned up, and it's your turn.